Once again, we have Salman Khan at the top of our show, and we all know when Salman gets angry, he doesn't shy away from showing it. Buzz has it that Salman Khan walked out of an item song, and he was shooting for Akshay Kumar's upcoming production Pagli. Reason being, Salman was feeling overshadowed by Aki. Now that's what we call starry tantrums.
Salman Khan is the latest angry young man on the block. Buzz has it that Tiger Khan left midway while shooting for an item number for Akshay Kumar's Pagli. The superstar stormed off from the sets of number, leaving the producer Akshay Kumar high and dry. But what triggered this reaction from Khan? Now Salman's generosity with special appearances is well known. But the cameos apparently come with a condition that the star has to be the center of attention. Unfortunately, Akshay Kumar was not aware of the rider. Soon after the shoot started, Sallu realized that it's Akshay who's hogging most of the limelight in the song. And that did not go down too well with Sallu Miyan. Since Akshay had more screen time in the song, Salman coolly walked off after shooting the first stanza, much to everyone's shock and dismay. Reportedly, the crew somehow managed to finish the shoot with Akshay and rest of the actors. Akshay and Salman have been quite friendly with each other in the past.
If you were stuck in a lift with the following people, what would you do? Salman said,
Eid hai, bhai,
Even in the recent episodes of Coffee with Karan, the two were seen talking only good things about each other. But with this latest twist in the tale, will these two friends also turn into foes? Let the theatrics begin. With Niyati Joshi, Varnika Gupta, Headlines Today.
Thank God it's Friday. Yes, it's that time of the week when you head to the cinema halls near you to find out which film to catch. Our entertainment editor Rohit Khilani makes life easier for you. Here he is reviewing Lakshmi and Aankho Dekhi. Take a look.
मैंने फैसला कर लिया है मेरा सच मेरे अनुभव का सच होगा मैं हर उस बात को मानने से इनकार कर दूंगा जिसे मैंने खुद देखा या सुना ना
Time to get you the movie reviews. First we talk about Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi. The story is set in Old Delhi. It follows the life of Baoji, played by Sanjay Mishra, who lives a normal life until one incident changes the way he sees the world and its ways. Baoji's daughter is seeing a boy and he's told that the guy is terrible, he has a bad reputation, he's a gangster kind of a person who always has a police complaint against him. Worried, loud Delhi families reach his doorstep and they abuse him and even hit him. They hit him till Baoji interferes. And then he finds out that the boy is exactly opposite of what he had heard. He's crying. This is what changes his life completely, and then he follows the basic principle. Seeing is believing, and that's where the title Aankhon Dekhi comes from. The story only gets interesting from here, as Baoji is always up to something or the other. At one point he stops talking and conveys that he's on Maun Vrat and he will only listen to people and gain knowledge. To which one person says if he believes only in what he sees, how does he know that a tiger actually roars? So the next scene, they all are sitting at a national park outside a tiger's cage waiting for him to roar. And once he does, you see Baoji's pants are wet. The humor goes on till the very end, and some scenes are hilarious and so are the dialogues. It gives you a Rishikesh Mukherjee film kind of a feel. The entertainment doesn't stop till the final scene and you never get bored, which is great considering there are no big stars, no item numbers, no foreign locations in Aankhon Dekhi.
बस यही सपना मुझे बार-बार आता है कि मैं उड़ रहा हूँ आकाश में पंछी की तरह गगन को चीरता मैं चला जा रहा हूँ
Aankhon Dekhi is nothing but just great teamwork from Rajat Kapoor's writing, direction and even acting. Rafe Mahmood's cinematography capturing the beautiful lanes of Delhi. Even Sagar Desai's music fits perfect here. Sanjay Mishra in the lead and Rajat Kapoor as his younger brother are fantastic. Sometimes the best films are made out of simple stories, and Aankhon Dekhi is one such film. It touches your heart and makes you smile. 3.5 and a high recommendation for this one.
चांदी की पग बांधू पे जनिया रे
Nagesh Kukunur is back with an interesting story. The film is called Lakshmi and it's based on a true incident. At the age of 14, Lakshmi, played by Monali Thakur, a fair, pretty village girl, is sold off by her father to a small-time politician who sells her off further to a pimp called Chinna, played by Nagesh Kukunur himself, who runs a prostitution racket for his brother Reddy, played by Satish Kaushik. As soon as Lakshmi reaches the brothel, she is expected to keep her customers happy. As many as 6 customers in one night. She is trained by someone they call Madam, played by Shefali Shetty.
मशीनों में तेल डाल फैक्ट्री खोलना है.
Thanks to a social worker, Lakshmi along with some other girls are freed from the brothel, which they claim is a girls' hostel. Post the interval, it's just her battle and the courtroom drama.
मैं कोर्ट जाऊंगी.
वो लोग तुम्हें डराएंगे, धमकाएंगे, तुम्हारी फाड़ के रख देंगे. वो लोग तुम्हारी
इज्जत और हिम्मत की धज्जियां उड़ाएंगे.
Nagesh Kukunur's this film has poor production quality which doesn't do justice to an important story like that. And above all, Nagesh has made a half-baked product. The focus is on scenes that will make an impact instead of the heart of the story. Some scenes are so filthy that they actually don't make an impact, but they cut you off from an engaging flow. All the graphic display of torture could and should have been avoided. We have seen many films on human trafficking and prostitution, but this is something else. Monali Thakur, who plays Lakshmi, does a good job and rest everyone is just about okay. Nagesh had a great story, but he lost the plot somewhere. Lakshmi could have been a much better film. It's an important film, but that doesn't mean it's a good one. 2 stars, that's all it deserves.
तुम्हारा पूरा नाम क्या है?
बंगारू लक्ष्मी.
कितने साल की हो?
14 साल.
तुम इस दुनिया की सबसे बहादुर लड़की हो.
From Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi to Feroz Abbas Khan's Dekh Tamasha Dekh, we take you to the media outings of these upcoming films. Here's a wrap on all things starry and Bollywood.
The City of Dreams is buzzing with filmy action. We get you a lowdown of what our favorite people have been up to. Hopping on to the film premiere of Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi, we meet the indie superstars Irfan Khan, Kalki Koechlin, Neha Dhupia, Pankaj Kapoor and Vinay Pathak. However, it was the presence of the reportedly estranged couple Konkona Sen Sharma and Ranveer Shori and their separate arrival at the same venue that got everyone talking. While Konkona refused to comment, this is what Ranveer Shori had to say.
We live together, so I don't know why you went into a frenzy over that. I am not here to cater to rumors. I am here for my friend's film premiere. Let's talk about that.
And when it came to talking about their friend's film, even Konkona had no reservations.
Good script always wins. I think people will respond to a film which is well made with a good script. So I think it will work.
Rajat Kapoor was evidently a happy man to receive such support from the filmy fraternity.
I think it's great to be supported by your friends, by film fraternity. They're all here in large numbers, and I'm very thankful to them. And I hope they like the film. That's very important to me.
फैसला कर लिया है. जिस सच को मैं देखूंगा नहीं ना, उसे स्वीकार नहीं करूंगा. ये मतलब मेरा फैसला है. मैंने शेर को दहाड़ते हुए नहीं सुना, कभी नहीं. शेर दहाड़ता नहीं है. चलो शेर देख के आते.
टीवी में दिखता है बाबूजी. अबे क्या बावला बनने ही. अबे दिमाग खराब कर रखा है. अगला अगर शेर गूंगा हुआ तो क्या करेंगे फिर?
बोलेगा.
Well, from Aankhon Dekhi to Dekh Tamasha Dekh, we hop on to the press meet of this political satire. After a hiatus that lasted many years, acclaimed director Feroz Abbas Khan returns to action with this new movie.
अरे ये यहाँ का बहुत बड़ा लीडर है. अबे मुझे गिर जाएगी.
इस तरफ हवा चलती है, उसी तरफ साले की मुंडी झुकती है. इस साले को पीछे से ठोक, आगे से ठोक, नहीं तो इसके मुंह में ठोक. ये साला गिरने ही वाला है.
A socio-political satire, the movie pokes fun at the absurdity and hypocrisy of the Indian democracy in a tongue-in-cheek manner.
मुझ पर इल्जाम लगाया जा रहा है कि मैंने हमीद को मारा.
लाश हमको दे दो।
लाश तो कब्र में है। क्यों का क्या मतलब? बॉडी दफनाई गई है, अब वो कब्र के बाहर नहीं निकाली जा सकती। बड़े साहब का ऑर्डर है।
Inspired by an incident experienced by the ex-commissioner of police of Mumbai, Satish Sahani, while posted in Solapur, the film depicts the ruckus in a town around the religious identity of a dead man.
ऊपर देखो, भगवान है।
This film is telling the truth as it is and how it exists. The lingo, the language, everything. The fact is that we don't want to sometimes experience it, and we want to face it. Here it is, in all its glory, in all its fun, in all its colors. But this is what it is.
Birth certificate hai.
The movie is aimed at a strategic release in April when the elections are at their peak.
बात का इशू बनाकर मुसलमानों को दबाया जा रहा है.
We had to release at a time where these issues are going to be at the top of the head of the people.
जंग करो, जिहाद करो.
मौलाना साहब, क्यों यहाँ की बातों को तोड़ मरोड़ कर इन मासूम लोगों को भटका रहे हो? आपको जरा भी शर्म नहीं आती?
The goal is to make the viewer sit up and start a conversation about the choice they need to make that will determine the fate of their country. With Susan Jose and Sakhi Deshpande in Mumbai, Garima Khurana, Headlines Today.
An interesting watch this week is Aankhon Dekhi. Three-time National Award winner Rajat Kapoor is back, this time with Aankhon Dekhi, in which he juggles the role of a director as well as an actor. And with the insanely lovable veteran actor Sanjay Mishra as the protagonist, this one will sure make for an interesting watch. Take a look.
जिस सच को मैं देखूंगा नहीं ना, उसे स्वीकार नहीं करूंगा। ये मतलब मेरा फैसला है।
Seeing is believing. Yes, that's the premise with which this almost artsy feature film presents itself.
Basic crux of the film is very simple. It's about a man who decides one day that he will only believe what he sees, which means he'll only believe what he experiences. He says my truth will be the truth of my experience. So what I have not experienced, how can I say that's true?
जवानी, शादी, बच्चे, काम, काज.
Sanjay Mishra plays Bauji, the central character of the film. Set in Chandni Chowk in Delhi, the film takes a comedic route to self-consciousness.
कितने सारे अनुभव, सब अनुभव को जोड़कर बना मेरा जीवन.
And the team of Aankhon Dekhi insists on calling it a family entertainer.
ये मूवी आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ जाओ. Means family means not मम्मी पापा एंड बच्चे. मैंने शेर को दहाड़ते हुए नहीं सुना, कभी नहीं.
शेर दहाड़ता नहीं है.
चलो शेर देख के आते.
Releasing on 21st March, the film shares its release date with 3 other films: Ragini MMS2, Gang of Ghosts and Lakshmi.
पहले पता होता ना तो एक एक्स्ट्रा रख ला था.
क्या?
पजामा.
But the film with its joint family drama, madness and humor may just end up trumping the other films.
है गुप्ता जी का चढ़ावा है.
कलाकंद था, बढ़िया था, स्वादिष्ट था, मीठा था.
अरे भगवान का.
With Susan Jose in Mumbai, Varnika Gupta, Headlines Today.
पागल नहीं हो, पर दुनिया को जाकर कैसे बताऊं कि तुम पागल नहीं हो?
New wave of alternate cinema continues in the month of April as Jal starring Purab Kohli and Tanisha Chatterjee gets ready to hit the screens. This fresh storyline has already won many accolades internationally and has been praised for its magnanimous aesthetics. You gotta see it to believe it. Take a look.
अरे मुखिया, यही मिलेगा पानी.
As the summers come calling, some from Bollywood have declared a war for water.
जब तक पानी नहीं ढूंढेगा यही मरेगा.
पानी निकालने की मशीन आ गई सर.
अगर गांव वालों को पानी मिल गया तो अपनी इज्जत तो गई. मारा कुआं को कौन पूछेगा?
Jal delves into the persistent issue by giving it an entertaining edge. Starring Purab Kohli, Kirti Kulhari and Tanisha Chatterjee, Jal also sees a collaboration between Sonu Nigam and Bengal music composer Bikram Ghosh.
Lights, camera, action!
launch saw the two composers in their element, building the mood with an exciting Jugalbandi. The guest of honor for the evening was also very special for Sonu Nigam.
This is exactly.
And Rajkumar Hirani didn't shy away from praising the singer and recalling his experience of making music with him either.
जाने नहीं देंगे तुझे मेरा favorite गाना है. And that song, which is I think such a difficult song, actually got recorded in the actual time. वो गाने का जो 4 या 5 मिनट का लेंथ होगा उतने में वो एक टेक में पूरा गाना रिकॉर्ड हो गया. मगर उस पर हम लोग घर गए नहीं, रोने लगे. एक्चुअली जैसे अभी कह रहे थे गाना सुन के, वी वर इन टीयर्स. फिर हम लोग बाहर आए और सुबह तक बैठे रहे और इनसे गाने सुनते रहे मोहम्मद रफी के.
Though the director chose not to speak about the recent reports of him requesting Anurag Kashyap to delay the release of Bombay Velvet in December for PK.
I think we're here to talk about Jal. I think we should talk about Jal.
I need water for birds. They're dying.
यहाँ आदमी के लिए पानी नहीं है, पंखियों के लिए कहाँ से मिलेगा?
Already screened at the 2013 Busan International Film Festival and the International Film Festival of India in Goa, Jal has been filmed extensively at the run of Kutch. But the makers have made sure not to stereotype characters and exploit the rural setting to attract more foreign applause.
It's not showing you the desperateness of a situation. The characters are very comfortable in their setting. They live in a village, they're happy to be there. There is a scarcity of water because they're in a desert, but they're okay with that and they live life with that.
I needed to tell the global story about water. And who could understand better than them, because they live in those harsh conditions where the water is complicated in terms of because this is the nature of a land.
कभी उसको चिपक रही है, कभी उसको चिपक रही है, सबको खाएगी.
मारी बारी कब आएगी?
While movies with a similar background have always worked with international audience, Jal promises to deliver with the mass viewers as well.
Dabong, pink, leg, surkha.
With its aesthetic value and earthy music, let's hope Jal sails through smoothly. With Sakhi Deshpande in Mumbai, Diksha Nijhawan, Headlines Today.